What are you doing?
I'm a chicken.
You're a chicken?
I wanted to.
Are you okay? Are you sure?
I gave me some medicine. I feel weird.
They gave you some medicine, you feel weird? That's an airplane? Did your airplane just blow up?
I can't feel my face. It feels like chicken fat.
It's not chicken fat.
It's chicken fat.
No, it's not.
It's chicken fat.
It's not chicken fat.
It's chicken fat.
Okay, well, don't touch it. Remember, you can't touch your face.
I feel weird.
It's supposed to feel weird.
I got chicken.
Ew, that jaw is all bloody. Don't chew on it, bite on it. Bite down on it. So the baby must suck. What are you doing?
I can't feel my tongue. I can't feel my lip. I can't feel my fish in this. I can't feel my shit.
Don't. Ugh. Gross. What are you doing? Look at that.
I'm breathing real air.
But you can't breathe real air until we leave.
Mm-hmm.
You have to leave that on until we leave.
I threw up.
I know you threw up. I saw. I pinned it. She threw up. That's why they called me back.
Where?
All over herself and all over the floor. Pretty gross. Yeah. Okay, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Oh, what would you recommend that kids do in the morning when they get up for school?
Drugs.
Huh?
Drugs.
What?
Drugs.
Drugs?
Mm-hmm.
Go to bed.